Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best products on the market to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we're calling the best foldable canoe available right now. A product that combines convenience, durability, and practicality in a way that makes it perfect for both beginners and seasoned paddlers. This is the Rad Sports Kayak Hoist 2-Pack, a smart and space-saving storage solution that's ideal for foldable canoes, inflatable kayaks, and even bikes or ladders. Now, if you're like me and space is a premium in your garage or shed, then this hoist system might just be the perfect upgrade you didn't know you needed. What makes this storage system stand out is the ease of use and its heavy-duty construction. Each hoist is built to handle up to 125 pounds, which means you can store even some of the heavier models of inflatable or foldable canoes with complete peace of mind. The pulley system is designed to reduce the effort needed to lift your kayak or canoe, so you're not straining your back every time you need to store it after a trip out on the water. Installation is straightforward. The kit comes with all the necessary mounting hardware and clear instructions. You'll just need a solid sealing joist, a drill, and maybe an extra pair of hands if you're mounting both hoists at once. Once installed, the system operates with a smooth, simple pulley mechanism. Just hook your canoe's straps into the hoist, pull the ropes, and watch as it glides up into place. This storage solution is perfect for those with foldable or inflatable canoes because it lets you keep your gear off the ground, away from damage, moisture, or clutter. Plus, the safety locking mechanism ensures that once your boat is up, it stays there securely until you're ready to bring it back down. One of the biggest benefits of this system is how much space it saves. Most garages or sheds aren't built with bulky outdoor gear in mind. But using the overhead space, that's a game changer. Whether you're a weekend paddler or a more regular adventurer, this system keeps your gear ready to go while keeping your space organized and efficient. Durability is another strong point here. The high-quality steel construction, strong nylon ropes, and secure hooks make this a long-lasting investment. It's not just about lifting gear, it's about lifting it safely and storing it reliably for years to come. So if you're looking for the best foldable canoe solution, from storage to longevity, the Rad Sports Kayak Hoist 2-Pack checks all the boxes. It's budget-friendly, easy to install, and makes your life a whole lot easier when it comes to organizing your gear. That's why it earns our top spot on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the best products for your lifestyle. Got a question about this product or want to see a comparison with other storage solutions? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.